Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Frank, the weather outside is perfect. No more resting.
But it's Saturday, my lazy day. Do you need something?
Do you remember our plan? Today we start our vegetable garden.
You're right. You prepared the soil yesterday. Okay, sounds good. What's the first step?
I need help with planting. I already bought the seeds.
Great. What kind of seeds did you get?
I got tomato, potato, carrot, and some parsley seeds.
Good choices. Tomatoes, my favorite. We need to plant them in a sunny spot.
How much sun do they need?
At least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day.
Well, the backyard is perfect for that. What about carrots?
Carrots are root vegetables. They need soft, deep soil without rocks.
I think the soil is good. I added some compost too. How deep should we plant the seeds?
Not too deep. For carrots, just about 1 centimeter deep is enough. We also need to space them properly.
And for potatoes? They're different, right?
Yeah, we plant these seed potatoes. We cut them into pieces, each with an eye, and then bury them a few centimeters deep.
Eye? What's that?
It's a small bud on the potato. The new plant grows from there.
I see. This is more interesting than I thought. How about watering?
We need to water them regularly, especially when they're just growing. But we have to be careful not to overwater.
How do we know if we're overwatering?
If the leaves turn yellow or the soil looks too wet and muddy, that's a sign.
Good to know. What if it rains heavily?
If it rains heavily, we might need to put up a small cover or temporarily move the pots. Good drainage is very important.
We should check the weather forecast every day.
Yeah, that's a good habit. We also need a few gardening tools.
What tools do we need?
A trowel for digging, a hand rake for smoothing the soil, and gloves to protect our hands.
I have all those in the garage. I'll go get them.
Awesome. These will make the job easier.
David, do you think we'll have problems with insects or animals?
Possibly, we might see aphids on the tomatoes.
Aphids? What are those?
They're tiny green insects. They can damage the leaves.
How can we get rid of them?
We can spray the plants with a little water and soap. It's a natural method.
What about birds or rabbits?
We might need to put a small fence around our garden later. For now, let's plant everything.
Okay, let's start with tomatoes. Show me how.
First, let's make small holes. They should be about 60 centimeters apart because tomato plants can get big.
60 centimeters? That's more than I thought.
Yeah, they need enough space to grow. Now put 2 or 3 seeds in each hole just in case.
Like this?
Perfect. Now cover them gently with soil.
This is actually very relaxing.
Yeah, gardening is a great way to reduce stress.
How long until we see the first tomatoes?
It depends on the variety, but usually about 60 to 80 days after planting.
That long? We need to be patient.
Yeah, but it's worth it. Imagine a salad from our own garden.
With our own tomatoes, carrots, and parsley? That sounds amazing.
We can even make our own fries from the potatoes.
Yes. If this goes well, I want to sell our vegetables at the local market.
And I'll quit my job and stay home to work for you.
Deal. But first, you need to help me water all these seeds.
Sure, let's do it together. I'm really excited about our little garden now.
Me too. Thanks for helping me, David.
Anytime, Sarah. This is our project. Let's hope we have a great harvest.
David, should we label the plants so we remember what is where?
That's a smart idea. We can use small sticks and write the names.
Okay, I'll get some markers. Do you think we need fertilizer later?
Probably. Organic fertilizer would be best. We can add it in a few weeks.
I'll note that down.
No need to rush, Sarah. Gardening teaches you to slow down.
You're right. I'm just so excited to see everything grow.
Me too. It's like a little miracle.
Do you have any gardening experience from before?
A little. I helped my grandma in her garden when I was a kid.
That's sweet. What did she grow?
Mostly flowers, but also some herbs like mint and basil.
We should plant some herbs too. They're easy to grow.
Great idea. We can get some mint and basil seedlings from the nursery next week.
I love that. Fresh mint for tea?
Absolutely. And basil for pasta?
My mouth is watering already.
Mine too, but let's focus on finishing the planting first.
Right. The carrots need to be in straight rows, you said.
Yes, it makes it easier to weed them and care for them later.
Weeding? Oh, I forgot about that part.
Don't worry, it's not too bad if we do it regularly. We can do it together.
Okay, as long as you're here to help.
Of course, teamwork makes the dream work.
That's cheesy, but true. Should we water everything now?
Yes, let's water gently so we don't wash away the seeds.
I'll get the watering can.
Perfect. Not too much, just until the soil is moist.
Like this?
Yeah, that's perfect. You're a natural at this, Sarah.
Thanks. I'm really enjoying this. It's so peaceful.
It is. We should do this more often. Maybe we can build a small greenhouse someday.
A greenhouse? That would be amazing for winter.
Exactly. We could grow vegetables all year round.
Let's add that to our future plans. For now, I'm happy with our little backyard garden.
Me too. It's a great start. I'm already proud of us.
Me too. Thanks for sharing this with me, David.
Thank you for suggesting it. This was a wonderful idea.
Should we take a before picture to remember how it looked today?
Definitely. Let me get my phone.
Perfect. We'll compare it in a few months.
I can't wait to see the progress.
Okay, I think we're done for today. My back is a little sore.
Yeah, me too. Let's clean up and go inside. I'll make us some lemonade.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for all your help, David.
Anytime, Sarah. This was fun. Let's check on our garden tomorrow.
Deal. See you inside.